Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to differentiate a function based on the concepts of calculus. So right here we have to calculate the value of d by dx of log of sine x. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to assign this a variable. So let us say that the value of y is equal to log of sine of x. Now the rule is that once we have assigned the main function with a variable, now we look at the function again, and the interior part which can be resubstituted as another variable is substituted by other variable. So here sin x is now replaced by u. So let us say that the value of u is equal to sine of x. So that means that the new value of y comes out to be log of u. Now what we do is we calculate the differential derivatives of both these functions separately. So here in this case the independent variable is u. So that means this function would be d by du of y is equal to d by du of log of u. So on this side we have dy divided by du, and dy du of log u would be 1 by u. Let us say this is equation number 1. Now as far as this part of the solution is concerned, here the independent variable is x. So that means the value of d by dx of u is equal to d by dx of sine of x. Now let us resubstitute the values. So this would be du by dx is equal to differentiation of sine x is cos x. Let us say this is equation number 2. Now as far as the value of dy by dx is concerned that we were supposed to calculate, we can write dy by dx as dy by du multiplied by du by d of x. So the value of dy by du we have already calculated as 1 divided by u, and then this is multiplied by du by dx, which as per the equation number 2 is cos of x. So this is cos of x. Now the value of u that we have substituted was sine of x. So this would be 1 divided by sine of x multiplied by cos of x. If we rearrange this, this can be written as cos x divided by sine x, and the value of cos x divided by sine x, as we already know, is cot x. So we'll write this as cot x, and this right here is the final answer that we were looking for. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.